your turn.
What?
It's your turn to use the saw.
Oh no.
Alan will give you the lecture. He's the best lecturer out here.
All you're doing is pulling. Keep it straight.
No pushing, only
Pull,
pulling.
keep it straight. Ready? So I say pulling. Keep it straight. Kind of veering off a little. There you go. Got it. All there is to it. Keep the saw straight.
So these, very little to cut, Alan. This thing is, that's also broken.
We need to cut it down here though, that's the problem.
Okay, I see.
What time do you
In
have?
that case, yeah.
Huh? What time do you have?
I think that part is too hard.
Uh,
I'm not going to work on that one.
10?
Okay, what about debarking it?
Nice.
Oh,
I think there isn't much to debark.
maybe this
I
right
can get that one, I can get that one, yeah.
Let me get the saw out of the way.
This one too.
All
Alright! Look at that! Oh, there's a giant worm there.
What?
An interesting kind of worm.
A worm?
Yeah,
Where?
it's going fast.
Oh!
See that guy?
Okay, you want the handle up
Yeah, I think so.
That's the worm got it. Sorry, worm.